Patrymau iaith diwrnod 1. Conwy, canolradd. Day 1 language patterns. Rhif 1. Eiddo. Possession. You've become familiar with the following pattern for saying my, your, his or her with the required mutations. The, nasal mutation, E. De, soft mutation, D. A, soft mutation, vo. A, aspirate mutation, he. Ein, ni. Eich, chi. A, nhw. This pattern is also used with board in clauses, although the full pattern isn't completely taught at mynediad and sylfaen level. It's a useful thing to memorise. Fy mod I. Dy fod di. Ei fod o. Ei bod hi. Ein bod ni. Eich bod chi. Ei bod nhw. Rhif 2. Byth neu erioed. 2 words meaning never. Byth, I never do, will or would. Present, future, conditional. Dwi byth. Fydda I byth. Faswn I byth. Erioed is never in a virginal sense. I have never ever in my life. Past tense. Dwi erioed wedi. Am byth is forever. Rhif 3. Rheolau treiglo. Mutation rules. This seems like a good time to recap the main mutation rules. These are the mutations. Llythrennau. P, T, C, B, D, G, M, Ll, R. Treiglad meddal. B, D, G, V, 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 L, R. Treiglad trwynol. Mha, nha, nha, m, n, ng. Treiglad llais. F, th, ch. And here are some of the more important rules you've come across so far. Soft mutation. After the patterns gwneud, mynd, dod in the past tense unless blocked by dim. After the prepositions or, I, am, ar, at. Adjectives after un. Feminine nouns after the definite article, the. Adjectives after feminine nouns. After de when it means your something. After a when it means his something. Nasal mutation. After the when it means my something. After un when it means in a place. Aspirate mutation. After a when it means her something. After a, ag. Rhif 4. Gorffennol gwneud, mynd a cael. Past tense do, go and have. Using the irregular verbs gwneud, to do, mynd, to go, and cael, to have in the past, is a major part of learning Welsh. Mi wnes I, mi es I, mi ges I. You will need to be able to use these verbs for all the different people as positive statements, negative statements, and questions. It's important to remember that these patterns cause a soft mutation in the following word, and that the mutation is on the dim in the negative. For once, responding with yes or no is easy. Do neu naddo. Here are a few examples. Es ti i'r castell yng Nghonwy dros y penwythnos? Es ti i'r castell yng Nghonwy dros y penwythnos? Do, mi es i'r castell. Wnest ti weld y ddraig yn y mynedfa? Naddo, nes i ddim gweld y ddraig. Ges ti amser da? Do, mi ges I amser ardderchog. Here are the full patterns for gwneud, mynd, and cael in the past tense. Gwneud, I did, you did. Mi wnes I ddawnsio. Mi wnes ti. Mi wnaeth o. Mi wnaeth hi. Mi wnaeth Edward. Mi wnaeth y plant. Mi wnaethon ni. Mi wnaethoch chi. Mi wnaethon nhw. Wnes I ddim dawnsio. Wnes ti ddim. Wnaeth o ddim. Wnaeth hi ddim. Wnaeth Edward ddim. Wnaeth y plant ddim. Wnaethon ni ddim. Wnaethoch chi ddim. Wnaethon nhw ddim. Wnes I ddawnsio. Wnes ti. Wnaeth o. Wnaeth Edward. Wnaeth y plant. Wnaethon ni. Wnaethoch chi. Wnaethon nhw. Mynd. I went. You went. Mi es I. Mi es ti. Mi aeth o. Mi aeth hi. Mi aeth Edward. Mi aeth y plant. Mi eithon ni. Mi eithoch chi. Mi eithon nhw. Es I ddim. Es ti ddim. Aeth o ddim. Aeth hi ddim. Aeth Edward ddim. Aeth y plant ddim. Eithon ni ddim. Eithoch chi ddim. Eithon nhw ddim. Es I. Es ti. Aeth o. Aeth hi. Aeth Edward. Aeth y plant. Eithon ni. Eithoch chi. Eithon nhw. Cael. I had. You had. Mi ges I ginio. Mi ges ti. Mi gaeth o. Mi gaeth hi. Mi gaeth Edward. Mi gaeth y plant. Mi gaethon ni. Mi gaethoch chi. Mi gaethon nhw. Ches I ddim cinio. Ches ti ddim. Chaeth o ddim. Chaeth hi ddim. Chaeth Edward ddim. Chaeth y plant ddim. Chaethon ni ddim. Chaethoch chi ddim. Chaethon nhw ddim. Ges I ginio. Ges ti. Gaeth o. Gaeth hi. Gaeth Edward. Gaeth y plant. Gaethon ni. Gaethoch chi. Gaethon nhw. The other way about talking in the past tense is using a short form ending with regular verbs. Fi. Es. Mi ddarllenes I. Ti. Est. Mi ddarllenes ti. Fo neu hi. Oedd. Mi ddarllenodd o neu hi. Ni. On. Mi ddarllenon ni. Chi. Och. Mi ddarllenoch chi. Nhw. On. Mi ddarllenon nhw. Rhif 5. Cymalau efo bod. Clauses with bod. This is the main step forward for today. Bod can go after words to mean that. Here is a list of verbs that can be followed with bod. Meddwl, gwybod, gobeithio, deud, siŵr, sicr, mae'n debyg, trist, ella, wrth gwrs, mae'n ddrwg gen I. If the bod is followed by a pronoun, then we use the possessive pattern from part 1. Here the English has been written as a literal translation rather than in common usage. Dwi'n meddwl fy mod i'n iawn. I am thinking that I am okay. Dwi'n gwybod dy fod di'n iawn. I am knowing that you will be okay. Dwi'n gobeithio ei fod o'n iawn. I am hoping that he is okay. Dwi'n siŵr ei bod hi'n iawn. I'm sure that she is okay. When using bod in the present tense at the start of the sentence, you use this pattern. Dwi, rwy ti, mae o, mae hi, mae Edward, mae'r plant, da ni, da chi, mae nhw. Dwi ddim, dwi ti ddim, dydy o ddim, dydy Edward ddim, dydy'r plant ddim, da ni ddim, da chi ddim, dydyn nhw ddim. Ydw i, wyt ti, ydy o, ydy hi, ydy Edward, ydy'r plant, da ni, da chi, ydyn nhw. Ydw, wyt, ydy, ydyn, ydan, ydach, ydyn. You can express something that you think now. I think it is fine. Dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n braf. I am thinking that it is fine. You can replace the word bod in the middle with bydd to talk about something you think now about the future. I think it will be fine. Dwi'n meddwl bydd hi'n braf. I am thinking that it will be fine. When using bod in the imperfect tense, in the past over a period of time, at the start of the sentence, you use this pattern. Roeddwn ni, ro ni. Roeddet ti, roedd o, roedd hi, roedd Edward, roedd y plant. Roedden ni, roeddech chi, roedden nhw. Doeddwn ni ddim, do ni ddim. Doeddet ti ddim, doedd o ddim, doedd hi ddim, doedd Edward ddim, doedd y plant ddim, doedden ni ddim, doeddech chi ddim, doedden nhw ddim. Oeddwn ni, o ne, oeddet ti, oedd o, oedd hi, oedd Edward, oedd y plant, oedden ni, oeddech chi, oedden nhw. On, nac on, oeddet, nac oeddet, oedd, nac oedd, oedd, nac oedd, oedden, nac oedden, oedden, nac oedden, oeddech, nac oeddech, oedden, nac oedden. You can express something that you thought in the past. I thought it was fine. Ro'n i'n meddwl bod hi'n braf. I was thinking that it is fine. Literal translation. You can replace bod in the middle of the sentence with basai, conditional form of bod, to imply something that you thought in the past would be. I thought it would be fine. Ro'n i'n meddwl basai hi'n braf. I was thinking that it would be fine.